Hello, a very good morning, dear students, and welcome to today's class. So, we were discussing this chapter that is motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Okay. So, in the last class, we have seen the resultant of a vector when you have to add the two vectors na add ಮಾಡುವಾಗ so the resultant can be calculated by using this formula a square plus b square r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, right? So parallelogram law of vector addition, triangular law of vector addition, those things we have already seen. Now in the last class I have said this will tell you the magnitude of the vector. Vector in magnitude ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, this equation is going to tell you r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. But what about the direction? ನಮ್ಮ direction ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? See, parallelogram law of vectors, one vector is here like this, one more vector is here like this. Okay, so I am drawing one parallel. This is vector a, this is vector b, correct? Again one parallel to vector b. Okay, I am extending this vector and at this point I am drawing one perpendicular. Okay, so giving this name as a b c d e, right? And I have said in the last class that the angle between a and b, vector a and b is nothing but theta anta hedi. Okay, so there are two vectors, vector a and vector b, which are representing a parallelogram, two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Idardu resultant ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, diagonal of this parallelogram. ಈ parallelogram ದು diagonal ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so that diagonal will give you r resultant vector, that is nothing but a plus b, vector a plus vector b. Sorry, small vector. So correct. So to add these vectors, vector a and vector b, so which are representing two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, the resultant vector, that is a plus b, will be the diagonal of this parallelogram, that we have seen in the last class already. And I have said one more thing, that is the angle between vector a and the resultant vector is taken as alpha, correct? Angle between vector a and the resultant vector is taken as alpha. ಈಗ magnitude of this vector r is given by under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, right? ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಹಿಯರ್? ಅಲ್ಫಾ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಐತಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಲ್ಫಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದಿ direction of this vector. Resultant vector in the direction ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to calculate the alpha, correct? So from this diagram, see CAE, triangle CAE, triangle CAE, consider the triangle CAE. Triangle CAE is a right angle triangle, yes or no? Yes or no? Triangle CAE. So it is a right angle triangle. See, it is 90 degree. So therefore, it is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is there. Can I take tan theta here? Tan theta is nothing but opposite by base. So this. So here theta angle is what? Angle is alpha here, right? So opposite is EC divided by base is AE. Can I write it like this? EC divided by AE. ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay, tan alpha is equal to EC divided by AE. Now see, Again, triangle CDE. Consider this triangle CDE. It is also a right angle triangle. Correct? Can I write cos theta here? Cos. No, this angle is theta. It is a vector B. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಐತಿ again, and this is the extension here. So this angle and this angle will be same. Correct? Okay. Now tell me cos theta. What will be cos theta in this triangle? Cos theta is nothing but, what is cos theta? Base by hypotenuse. Correct? Correct or not? Base is what? DE by hypotenuse ಏನಾಯ್ತಿ? What is hypotenuse? CD. So if I take this CD this side, can I write CD cos theta is equal to DE? ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Okay. Again in this triangle take sin theta. Sin theta ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sin theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? EC. Hypotenuse is CD. Correct? So can I write CD sin theta is equal to EC? ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Good. Just keep it as it is. Now come here. See here, tan alpha is equal to EC by AE. EC hanga ಬರಿತೀನಿ. I will write EC same. AE. AE. Okay. I am writing it as AD plus DE. ಬರಿಬಹುದು. AE is nothing but AD plus DE. AD plus DE. Correct? Now, tan alpha is equal to, see, EC ಗೆ ನಾ CD sin theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Can I write it? EC is nothing but CD sin theta. Correct? Plus divided by AD plus DE. DE ಏನೈತಿ? CD cos theta. Correct? Now, tan alpha is equal to CD. Okay? CD is equal to AB. Correct? AB is nothing but vector B. Howda? So can I write it as B sin theta? CD ಗೆ B ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾನು. Okay. Divided. What is AD? AD is nothing but vector A. Divided by A plus, what is CD? CD is again vector B. A plus B cos theta. ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So what you got? Tan alpha is equal to B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Correct? Now, what I need? I want alpha. Alpha ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. So it is tan alpha. So I will write alpha here. Okay. Alpha will be equal to tan ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ tan inverse ಆಫ್ B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. So the angle alpha can be calculated by using this formula. Understood? So this alpha will give you the direction of the resultant vector. Okay, so finally resultant vector ಇಂದು magnitude calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have this formula, that is R is equal to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Resultant vector ಇಂದು direction ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so we have this formula, alpha is equal to tan inverse of B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Understood this? Any problem? Confirm? Sure? Okay. So so this is about the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. Okay, now let's solve some problems. Okay, so just see, by using this triangular law and this magnitude of resultant vector ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು triangular law parallelogram law. So by using those things, those concepts, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, just see the problem. A boy walks 5 meters towards east and then turns at an angle 60 degree to the north of the east. Okay, and walks 5 meters. Calculate the net displacement of the boy. Also find the direction of the net displacement. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is to understand the problem. So first of all, see, this is given directions north, south, east, west. Correct? Now see, a boy walks 5 meters towards east. East kade ಎಷ್ಟು meter ಹೊಂಟಾನ boy? How many meters? 5. Correct? East. A boy walks 5 meters towards east and then turns at an angle 60 degree to the north of the east. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಂಟ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದು ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು 5 ಮೀಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾನ? 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸಿ, and then turns at an angle 60 degree to the north. 60 degree, actually his direction is like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 60 degree to the north. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾನ? 60 degree ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಯಾನ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ನೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಯ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, net displacement of the boy andre, so this is the 5 meter. Okay, now see, these are two vectors. One, this is vector A and vector B. Yavudon anta tagori. Okay, now see, I am taking it as A and this as B. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the net displacement. So for that we have to go for the resultant vector. See, one vector is going like this, one vector is like this, and these are in orders. So finally we can apply the triangular law of vector addition. The resultant vector will be from here to here. So this will be the resultant vector, and this resultant vector will give you R is equal to A plus B. Correct? Now simple triangular law of vector addition nimgu sikta. Okay, now just calculate the magnitude of the resultant vector. We know the formula. What is R? R is equal to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Correct? Correct? No. Under root. What is A? 5. 5 square. What is B? 5. Again 5 square plus 2A B. AB 5 2 into 5 into 5 cos theta. Theta is how much? 60 degree. ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, the angle between ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್? one vector A vector is like this, B vector here, so this will be the angle ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. No, I have said already in previous classes, if you go and watch the video, the angle between two vectors, whenever you are calculating, it should be joined head to head or tail to tail. Tail to tail or head to head join ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A ಐತಿ. So if I okay, so this is vector A, this is vector B. So tail to tail join ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, parallel shifting ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಐತಿ. So this is vector A and vector B. Okay, so I need to calculate the angle between two vectors andre either you join it head to head or tail to tail join ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so this is a vector A. So this vector sorry, this is A, this is B. So I have to join either head to head or tail to tail. So at that time what I will do, I will keep B as it is A na parallel illೇ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this will be the angle between the two vectors. Now they have joined tail to tail. Tail to tail join ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು. So it is 60 anta they have already given. So the angle between two vectors is 60. So finally under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So 5 square under root 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 5 into cos 60. So it will be under root 5 square is 25 plus 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 5 into 5 50. Correct? Into cos 60. Cos 60 ಎಷ್ಟು? What is cos 60? 1 by 2? Good. So into 1 by 2. 2 on the 2, 225 is a. So finally under root 25 plus 25 plus 25 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 75. So magnitude of the resultant vector r will be equal to under root 75. So that will be nearly equal to 8.66. So r will be equal to 8.66 meter. So the net displacement of the boy is 8.66 meter. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾನವ? Also find the direction of the displacement. Direction ಅಂದರೆ I have already said any ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so that will give you the direction. So this angle is nothing but alpha. The angle between the resultant vector and any one vector. So ಈ given vector and the resultant vector ಜೊತೆ angle ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, so that angle will give you the direction of the vector. So it can be calculated by using the formula. We have the formula. ಏನದು formula? Alpha is equal to tan inverse of b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. Correct? Oh. Now alpha is equal to tan inverse of. Now tell me what is b? B ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? b is 5. 5 sin theta. Sin theta ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 60. Sin 60 degree divided by a is again 5 plus b is 5 cos 60. Correct? Correct. Now just see alpha is equal to tan inverse of b, that is 5 sin 60 ಎಷ್ಟು? root 3 by 2. sin 60 root 3 by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ? sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 divided by 5 plus 5 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Already we have seen. Okay. Keep it as it is. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of. Now just see 5 into root 3. 5 root 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 5 plus 5 by 2. Okay. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of 5 root 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 15 divided by 2. So this cancels. So finally what will be remaining is 5 root 3 divided by 15. So ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Just do the calculation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ alpha is equal to tan inverse of 5 root 3 divided by 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 divided by 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So this root 3 cancels. So finally alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay. So if you see tan inverse of 1 by root 3 will be tan 1 by root 3 ಯಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ when the angle is 30 degree. So if you see tan 30 degree, it will be 1 by root 3. Just go and see tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So finally you got this answer. Yenanta alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. Finally you got everything. So that is net displacement of the boy calculate madivi by using the triangular law of vector addition. And again the direction is nothing but alpha. Already I have said alpha will give you the direction. So the direction of the net displacement is 30 degree. Means it just means that hingittu nam problem nodri. So this is pi, this is pi, this angle was 60 degree, right? So this is the resultant vector, idu resultant vector r. So this is alpha, andre ee angle enirutte 30 degree. Okay, you got this? Okay, very good. Now okay, so this is enough for today's class. So in the next class we'll see the different things, and if you possible we'll solve some more problems on this vectors. So I hope you understood this. So if you have any doubts, you can come to me, you can contact me, or you can comment ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So doubts ಇದ್ದರೆ comment ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. Let's see whatever happens. So bye bye, good night, see you, and study well, good luck, bye bye.